In this video, we listed the 5 best smart door locks that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. The Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt is a premium keypad door lock designed for modern connected homes. With built-in Wi-Fi, it allows you to lock and unlock your door from anywhere using the Schlage Home app, without the need for an additional hub. You can create and manage up to 100 unique access codes, monitor lock history, and receive real-time alerts for added peace of mind. The lock also supports voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant, offering hands-free convenience. Built with advanced security features such as encrypted connections, a customizable alarm for forced entry, and a fingerprint-resistant touchscreen, it meets the highest BHMA standards for residential security and durability. Installation is quick and tool-free beyond a screwdriver, running on 4 AA batteries with up to 6 months of battery life and a physical backup key included. Ideal for homeowners and Airbnb hosts alike, the Schlage Encode seamlessly integrates with Airbnb to automatically generate guest access codes, making secure and hassle-free entry easier than ever. Number 2. ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro with Wi-Fi Bridge. The ULTRALOQ Smart Fingerprint Deadbolt Lock is a highly versatile and secure keyless entry solution designed for smart homes and rental properties. Featuring an advanced 7-in-1 unlocking system, it allows access via 360 degrees AI-powered fingerprint recognition, keypad, smartphone app, auto unlock, smartwatch app, voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant, and traditional mechanical keys. The responsive fingerprint sensor unlocks the door in just 0.3 seconds with 99.8% accuracy and can store up to 100 fingerprints, along with 50 customizable access codes. Using the mobile app over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, users can remotely lock or unlock doors, share e-keys, track real-time access logs, and manage permissions from anywhere. Built with a durable zinc alloy body and certified to ANSI Grade 1 commercial-level security, the lock is weatherproof, IP65 rated, and engineered for long-lasting performance. Easy DIY installation requires no drilling and takes about 10 minutes, while smart features like auto lock, anti-peep keypad protection, and low battery alerts ensure convenience and peace of mind backed by strong warranty support. Number 3. Aqara Smart Lock U100 Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock. The Aqara Smart Door Lock U100 is a feature-rich biometric lock designed especially for Apple-centric smart homes. Fully integrated with Apple Home and Apple Home Key, it allows you to unlock your door by simply tapping an iPhone or Apple Watch, even when the device battery is depleted. The U100 supports multiple unlocking methods, including a high-precision fingerprint sensor for up to 50 users, app-configured passwords, one-time local passcodes for guests, and a mechanical key for emergencies. When paired with an Aqara Zigbee 3.0 hub, it works seamlessly with Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, IFTTT, and Aqara automations, enabling smart interactions with devices like Aqara video doorbells. Built-in auto lock using a gyroscope, do not disturb mode, and strong AES encrypted local data storage enhance everyday convenience and security. With a durable IP65 rated zinc alloy body, long battery life of up to 8 months, and USB-C emergency power support, the Aqara U100 delivers reliable performance, privacy, and smart control in one elegant package. Number 4. Wyze Auto Lock Bolt. The Wyze Lock Bolt is a simple yet powerful fingerprint keypad smart lock designed for fast, keyless entry and everyday convenience. It features ultra-fast fingerprint recognition that unlocks the door in under a second and supports up to 50 stored fingerprints through the Wyze app, making it ideal for families and frequent guests. The numbered keypad includes anti-peep protection, allowing users to add random digits before or after their code to prevent onlookers from stealing passcodes. Via Bluetooth, users can view detailed lock and unlock history, including access method, time, and failed attempts, directly in the Wyze app. The auto lock feature ensures the door is never left unlocked by automatically securing it after a custom time delay. Designed to replace most standard deadbolts, installation takes about 20 minutes, and when paired with the Wyze Doorbell Pro, the lock can even be remotely unlocked for visitors from anywhere, adding an extra layer of smart home convenience. Number 5. eufy Security Video Smart Lock. The eufy Security 3-in-1 Video Smart Lock E330 is an all-in-one solution that combines a fast fingerprint recognition smart lock, a 2K HD camera, and a video doorbell for complete front door security. It offers 5 convenient ways to unlock via fingerprint, keypad, mechanical key, the eufy Security app, or voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for seamless, personalized access. With remote access through the app, you can monitor who is at your door in real time, manage entry permissions, and receive instant notifications. The lock is powered by a large 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, covering all features without frequent replacements. Designed for easy setup, it installs in about 15 minutes on most standard US and Canadian deadbolts without drilling, while eufy's 18-month protection and responsive customer service ensure reliability and peace of mind. This smart lock is ideal for homeowners seeking security, convenience, and cutting-edge technology in a single device.